Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our next MCQ is: in human testes, which structure is responsible for carrying sperm from inside the testis? Option A, seminiferous tubules. Option B, urinogenital duct. Option C, seminal vesicles. Option D, vasa afferentia. Our correct answer is D, vasa afferentia. Our next MCQ is: in which part of female reproductive system fertilization takes place? Option A, proximal part of oviduct. Option B, uterus. Option C, placenta. Option D, vagina. Our correct answer is A, proximal part of oviduct. Our next MCQ is: in females, FSH stimulates the ovary to produce. Option A, progesterone. Option B, lectin. Option C, estrogen. Option D, oxytocin. Our correct answer is C, estrogen. Our next MCQ is: syphilis, sexually transmitted disease, is caused by. Option A, HIV. Option B, Treponema pallidum. Option C, Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Option D, type 2 virus. Our correct answer is B, Treponema pallidum. Our next MCQ is: in which phase of human female menstrual cycle endometrium prepares for the implantation of embryo? Option A, proliferative phase. Option B, menstrual phase. Option C, secretory phase. Option D, ovulation phase. Our correct answer is C, secretory phase. Our next MCQ is: total number of cervical and thoracic vertebrae in human vertebral column is. Option A, 7. Option B, 19. Option C, 14. Option D, 33. Our correct answer is B, 19. Now understand how they are in 19 number. Cervical vertebrae are in 7 number, while thoracic vertebrae are in 12 number. So total become 19. Our next MCQ is: a sarcomere is a region of myofibril between two successive. Option A, M lines. Option B, Z lines. Option C, I bands. Option D, T tubules. Our correct answer is B, Z lines. Our next MCQ is: the sarcolemma of muscle fiber folds inwards and forms a system of tubes which runs through the sarcoplasm called. Option A, myofilaments. Option B, sarcoplasmic reticulum. Option C, Z lines. Option D, transverse tubules. Our correct answer is D, transverse tubules. Our next MCQ is: according to sliding filament theory, when muscle fibers are stimulated by nervous system, which of the following changes occurs? Option A, I band shorten. Option B, H zone becomes more visible. Option C, Z lines move further apart. Option D, A bands shorten. Our correct answer is A, I band shorten. Our next MCQ is: if lactic acid builds up in thigh muscles, it causes muscle tiredness and pain. This condition is called. Option A, muscle fatigue. Option B, tetany. Option C, cramps. Option D, oxygen dent in muscle. Our correct answer is A, muscle fatigue. Our next MCQ is: thyroxine deficiency in adults results in condition called. Option A, cretinism. Option B, hypothyroidism. Option C, thyrotoxemia. Option D, myxedema. Our correct answer is D, myxedema. Our next MCQ is: Alpha cells of pancreas secrete a hormone known as option A, glucagon, option B, insulin, option C, gastrin, option D, renin. Our correct answer is A, glucagon. Our next MCQ is X-linked recessive trait is option A, hypophosphatemia, option B, vitamin D resistant rickets, option C, hemophilia, option D, diabetes mellitus. Our correct answer is C, hemophilia. Our next MCQ is human skin color is a good example of option A, sex-linked inheritance, option B, polygenic inheritance, option C, X-linked inheritance, option D, Y-linked inheritance. Our correct answer is B, polygenic inheritance. Our next MCQ is from evolutionary point of view, which respiratory protein is common in many organisms? Option A, cytochrome A, option B, cytochrome B, option C, cytochrome C, option D, cytochrome D. Our correct answer is C, cytochrome C. Our next MCQ is number of pairs of autosomes in human is option A, 23, option B, 24, option C, 21, option D, 22. Our correct answer is D, 22.